How to get a custom crosshair in Valorant Mobile. Now, unfortunately, there isn't really area in the settings where you can implement codes, since codes still doesn't exist, but you can still customize your crosshair in their settings. Although there are overlays you can put into Valorant Mobile, since it's mobile, there's a lot of overlay apps like these over here. So this app is called Lagofast. They should have like a custom crosshair options along with some other games or other apps that allows you to do this. But if you just want to create your own custom crosshair, you can go ahead in game into Valorant, and once you're there, just go ahead and enter a match, or it's much better to do it in a playground or your shooting range. So just go ahead and press on this little section. This is button, and then press this. Once you're there, just go ahead into your settings, and your crosshair should be in the bottom left over here, which is this one. So translated, it should say crosshair settings. So you can see your universal sight, your hipfire sight, open sight, and sniper sight. So just go ahead and explore all around the crosshair settings, and eventually you should be able to create your desired crosshair. There are some discords out there that allows you to get images of what they had chosen for their crosshairs. Maybe you can just copy those, but there's no codes for that specific crosshair yet. But that is pretty much how you can get a custom crosshair technically in Valorant Mobile. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.